All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, GPU mining, Dogecoin, Ethereum. Today, we're going to be talking about AMP coin, what's going on with AMP, and we're also going to be talking how the cryptocurrency everything just tanked in the last day. What happened with that? The only one that didn't tank was Solana. Remember, Solana's been in the top 10. We've been talking about Solana, but everything else, Bitcoin, everything is down, down, down. Why is that happening? What's going on with cryptocurrency? If you can do me a favor, don't forget to hit the like button to like our videos. Hit the subscribe so you can subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos when we launch a video every single day. So with cryptocurrency, we talk about all kinds of things with the Ethereum. We talk about the Bitcoin. So what happened in the last day here? So Bitcoin was over 51,000. Now it's around 46, 47,000. So they said September 7th was the official El Salvador Bitcoin day, because now they're accepting Bitcoin in El Salvador on the 7th. Everybody was talking about how they were going to buy $30 in Bitcoin. So across everywhere, everybody was going to buy $30 in this event. Across the thing, there was Twitter accounts, people on Twitter, hundreds of thousands of people talking about how they're going to buy $30 of Bitcoin yesterday, but somehow it completely tanks. There was a single whale account that was completely liquidated within an hour, and the liquidation was $2.5 billion was gone. Other accounts, $43 million to $50 million liquidated, gone, traded, sold. I mean, this does seem like it's a targeted attack by the whales. I mean, if every single person is going to put $30 in, but within hours there's billions of dollars that are moved all strategically within an hour, it does seem like it's an attack by the whales and stuff like that. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Just think it's really interesting that all of a sudden everything is going up, 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 and then bam, in one swoop, all this money is completely removed from the. You know, again, these polls, they were 75% of the polls were saying that everybody was going to buy at least $30 of Bitcoin. You know, should we worry about this? Is this something that we should actually be worried about? With that, let's go ahead and head over to the top 10 first to see what's going on in the cryptocurrency right now as we speak. All right, so here we are at the top 10, and you're going to see all the numbers are down. So let's talk about this. Bitcoin is at $46,400. Yeah, just the other day, it was 51,000. This thing is down 4.42% in the last 7 days. You know, if you think Bitcoin's going to get back up to 50,000, this could be a buying time for you. You know, buying the dips and stuff. Again, everything educational purposes only. But again, if you think it's going to go over 50,000, 51,000, and Bitcoin is at 46,000 right now, Ethereum right now is at 35,000. Remember, it was kissing 39 just the other day. So it's down 4.73% in the last 7 days. Cardano is actually down 14.62%. I was actually listening to somebody saying they were waiting for Cardano to go under $2.50 before they positioned themselves. So Cardano is at $2.45 right now. Binance Coin is down 13%. Tether is right there at $1. Solana, the only one, and moved up from number 7 to number 6. Can you believe that? Solana, number 6. It's actually up. It's the only one that's up pretty much. 59% in the last 7 days, trading at $183 a coin. XRP is down, $1.11. Dogecoin is down 10%. It's down to a quarter. It was just at 34 cents the other day. So Dogecoin is down. This could be a great buy in the dip. Polkadot is at $28 at $10.77. Uniswap is at $20.70. It's down. Uniswap is down 20% in the last 7 days. Binance Coin is at $1. Binance US is at $1 right there, and then Bitcoin Cash is actually down 2.66%. Up here at the top, the market's down about 1%. Global crypto market is at $2.1 trillion. So there's just a lot of red going on right now. Am I worried about it, me personally? No. I mean, the market's like this and stuff, but it's just a lot of money by the whales was traded when this happened here yesterday to make everything go down. So, all right, we're over here at AMP, and we're going to talk about AMP a little bit. AMP's a really good program. I'm very excited about this coin. It's going to change the way cryptocurrency is accepted on our planet because of the brick and mortars. Let's take money into the 21st century. To kind of talk about AMP, so a couple interesting things. Again, have you ever went to the store and you thought about buying some of your goods and services, your toothpaste or your peanut butter and jelly with cryptocurrency? Probably not, because again, it's your different grocery stores and this and that aren't accepting the cryptocurrency. So, but imagine if you could. Imagine if there was a way that you can actually pay with your cryptocurrency, and imagine if there was a way that the merchants would never lose $1 with their cryptocurrency. Well, that's what's going on with AMP and the Flexa Network. AMP is actually a coin. It's a collateral. The Flexa Network is allowing the merchants to sign up for the Flexa Network. The merchants pay a 1% to use the Flexa Network, just like they would pay a 2 to 3% for the Visa and MasterCard, or up to 5% for the Visa and MasterCard. They would pay 1% to use the network. A customer like myself would come into the store, and let's say I have $30, $40 of stuff on, spaghetti sauce, milk, this and that. I got a pair of reading glasses. The whole thing is $35. You would use the app on your phone. You use the Spend app, and you would select the app of which items you want to pay for, and you would scan it. So now everything's scanned into my phone, $30, and now I would go on there and I would select that I want to pay with Ethereum. And I would select Ethereum, and now what would happen is the Flexa app would transfer the money to the actual merchant in coins of AMP coin. Okay, because now the Ethereum got transferred, it converted to the AMP coin, and now the actual merchant gets paid in AMP, the same exact money. So it makes it a lot easier. So now the next customer comes and he wants to pay in Dogecoin. And the next customer comes and he wants to pay in, Polkadot. It doesn't matter. They would use their actual phone and select the cryptocurrency, and they pay the merchant. Another thing, what's some of the problems here? This changes everything, because when you're actually paying with your Bitcoin could take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes to actually show the transaction. Yeah, I know when you transferred your money to your friend on your app, it seems like real quickly, within seconds, the money shows up on the person's phone. Well, even though the money shows up within seconds on the person's phone, it doesn't really get confirmed on the blockchain. It doesn't get confirmed on the blockchain until 30 minutes, 60 minutes later. There's that problem. There's that 30 to 60 minutes. Can you imagine if you were waiting in line and there were 7 people in front of you, and each person had to wait 30 minutes for the transaction to approve and say, yes, the money was in the blockchain, and then they can move, and then the next person would go? You would be there all freaking day. There's no way in the world you would actually do that. Okay, so that's where the Flexa Network and AMP token is going to change everything. Now, also, here's the interesting thing. So when the AMP token pays the merchant, remember how they said that in 30 to 60 minutes is when they're going to find out if the money was really there? Well, the double spending is one of the problems with the cryptocurrency. In the event that the customer did double spend and charged the $30 and he only had 30 in there, and then he goes to another store, spends $30, and both stores accept the currency, well, now all of a sudden, 30 minutes later, it catches up and it says, boom, hey, woo, woo, woo. Guess what? There's a double spend. Well, the Flexa Network and AMP steps in. They pay the merchant all their money, no questions asked. But now, basically, because there was a double spend, Flexa Network and AMP, they actually liquidate some of the AMP tokens to collateralize it so they can go ahead and pay the merchant. Now, the people that are actually staking the coin, they're getting paid anywhere from 2 to 5% to stake the coin. I know that doesn't seem like a lot right this second, but over time it'll get higher as more and more, like when Walmart or Target or these other big companies start accepting the Flexa Network, it's going to the rewards are going to go higher. But in the event that that would happen, you would think that that's really sad for the people staking the coin, that they're using their coin to pay these people's bills. Well, they're going to get incentivized. So when they're getting incentivized to stake their coin, they can never lose $1. Okay, so the people staking the coin, they have an investment with AMP and the Flexa Network. They're making their 2 to 5%. Over time, it could be higher. So that's fine. The merchant never loses $1, so that's fine. The customer is awesomely happy because they're paying with all their different cryptocurrencies, so that's happy. They're happy. So this is going to change the way everything's done. So AMP is going to change the way this is done in Flexa Network. Keep an eye on it. Let's see what that token is being sold for today. All right, I'm over here, Gemini, and AMP is still being sold at about 5 cents right this second. So it says, let's see, 5 cents, and I'm following this. It's still at 5 cents. What was it doing a week ago? The same thing. The one thing I want to point out here is about 3 months ago, the token was actually right here. About 3 months ago, it was right here in June. It was actually at about 11 to 12 cents. So AMP was at about 11 to 12 cents about 3 months ago, and now all of a sudden it's going to be used a lot more. It says the Flexa Network enables crypto collateralized payments at the brick and mortar vendor. The network allows the supporting cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others to be used to pay the goods and services while the vendor receives the payment in fiat. Flexa uses its token AMP to collateralize the crypto payment. This solves a few issues that have plagued the crypto ecosystem, like the slow confirmation time on the network. So again, that time's going to take forever. But again, as an investor, the coin was at around 12 cents in June. More and more traction is being taken up on this. Definitely pay attention to this. With the Bitcoin being sold the last day or so and the crypto market being down right now, this could be a good time to get your positions in place. You want to check that out. The last thing I want to do today is just go over a few things over here on Robinhood. So on Robinhood, let's take a look at how everything's doing. So Bitcoin Cash, it was just like 700 and some the other day. And now it's at 663. So Bitcoin Cash is down. Also, the one thing is, if you're in the Dogecoin's only a quarter right now. Take a look at this. A month ago, Dogecoin was at 31 cents. Dogecoin was right here at 35 cents. On September 3rd, it was at 30 cents. 31 cents on September 6th. So again, if you're in the Doge, it's only a quarter right now. They keep talking about how the Doge is going to go to $1. Again, I think its high was around 61 or 62 cents a few months ago in May. I was talking about the Litecoin the other day, and I was so happy that the Litecoin was actually over $200, but look at it, it's back down to 182. So my average cost in the Litecoin is $127. So with that, with cryptocurrency, again, I can't wait to every single person on this planet owns some cryptocurrency. I can't wait to every single person is using cryptocurrency. Don't forget about the BlockFi credit card. You can actually earn your earn Bitcoin by swiping your card for your rewards and stuff. AMP token is going to be going through the roof. The Flexa Network is going to be making all these different things happen with their on the Spend app phone. There's all kinds of things. Bitcoin is down. The market is down right now. You may want to actually get yourself in position. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. We bring you all kinds of news and information, keeping everybody up to tune of what's going on here. We're going to be talking in the next couple days about some mining. So don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. You have an awesome day. Woo-hoo!